This is the real-time rows, and we're dealing with a function interpretation problem. And it's helpful to remember that when you're dealing with a function, there are two main components. So here's the function we're given. And the two components are the input, which is an x. Everywhere that you see an x, that is an input. And the output is the value of f of x. Think of f of x, the thing that I just circled, as one symbol. It's not f times x. It's just a single symbol where the variable inside the parentheses is defined as the input variable. So you know what to plug in for when you're over on the right side of the equation. And so they're saying which of the following has a negative value. What they're asking for is output is negative. That's what they're asking. Circle the answer choice where the output is negative. And the input is the thing in parentheses. And after you've made that connection, this problem really becomes a plug and chug. So let's put -6 into the equation. So everywhere I have an x, I'm going to put a -6 in. So we'll have -6 plus 5 times -6 plus 3. The only way we can get and rather than dealing with the actual numbers, what I'm going to keep track of is, are these things negative or positive? So -6 plus 5 is negative. -6 plus 3 is negative. And a negative times a negative is a positive. So unfortunately, A is not the answer. And let's keep going down the list. -5 plus 5 times -5 plus 3. That's 0 times negative, which is 0. So unfortunately, that's not the answer. C is -4. So let's do -4 plus 5 and -4 plus 3. That's actually equal to a positive times a negative, and this is starting to feel good. A positive times a negative is a negative, which is what we want, and C is the correct answer. I'm going to do the rest in case you want to see them. You would not have to do this if this were an SAT question. Let's do -3 plus 5 and -3 plus 3. That's going to be a positive times 0, which equals a positive. So D is out. And E is -2 plus 5 times -2 plus 3, which is positive times positive, which equals a positive. So E is out.